When things go wrong, a competent first officer, able to follow emergency procedures, is a valuable asset. Multi-crew experience allows us to use that asset using pre-scripted emergency flows. In this video I'd like to demonstrate the use of those emergency flows using a multi-crew experienced first officer who will follow pre-scripted emergency flows. The quote is from Rudyard Kipling: "If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too. If you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and, which is more, you'll be a man, my son." We'll be flying this twin Otter and following on from the last movie, from Barra to a very small Scottish airport, Plockton, Uniform Kilo 10. Boarding please.
Ready to board passengers. Radios select on. Captain. Parking brake set. I have adjusted the lighting. Open all doors.
Welcome again, Captain.
Also review the safety instruction in your seat pocket. If you're seated at an exit seat, also review the exit seating criteria.
After boarding please.
Okay, Captain.
Hi Captain, the passenger boarding is complete and I have the load sheet here for you when you're ready.
Yes, Captain. I thought you needed something, boss.
Ground cockpit.
Yes, Captain.
Okay, close the doors please and you can arm the slide.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Closed all the doors and secured them. Cap.
I am Lorna. I'll do my best to assist you on this flight. Commander.
Bear with me for a second.
Master,
Okay,
caution
pre-flight
button
briefing.
pressed.
It's
Okay,
flight
Cap.
231 and this will be an IFR flight and you will handle all of first officer flying duties. We'll adhere to company standard operating procedures for the flight. If we disagree on any procedure during the flight, we agree here that we will use the most conservative of our two opinions and we'll look up the correct procedure once we're on the ground. Always aware of the current state of the aircraft and of all its systems. Is that understood? Pre-start checklist.
Pre-start checklist. Control lock.
Off.
Parking brake.
Set.
Handles.
In.
Emergency fuel switches.
Normal.
Emergency pumps.
Off. Tested.
Pre-start checklist complete.
Thank you.
No worries, at your service.
Over to weather.
Okay, confirm frequency.
126.8.
Cheers. You can listen to automated weather now.
Your radios.
Got it.
Echo, Golf, Papa, Romeo, local ATIS information, hotel, wind 330 at 8, visibility 10 kilometers or more, rain, clouds, few 5,500, broken 2 5,000, temperature 4, dew point -6.
Ground, Logan 231, ready for clearance. 2 Uniform Kilo 10.
Logan 231, ground, cleared to Uniform Kilo 10, as filed, climb, flight level 50, squawk 3321, contact, Scottish Control 119.87.
Cleared to Uniform Kilo 10, as filed, climb, flight level 50, squawk 3321, Scottish Control on 119.87, Logan 231.
Logan 231, read back correct.
Ground, Logan 231 is with you at 7, request taxi.
Logan 231, ground, taxi holding point, runway 25, QNH.
I'll ask him for 7, the tide's about to come in on 25.
Runway 25, QNH 996, Logan 231.
QNH 996.
Selecting altimeter 996 millbars.
122.6.
Tower on 122.6.
Tower Logan 231, request push and start. Full engine start, please.
Starting both engines. forward and aft. Fuel boost pumps on and verify. Captain, your switches. Fuel, all fuel pumps. Propeller 2 clear. 4 start. Fuel levers both off. Power levers idle. Start switch engaged. Engine 2. N2 12%. Opening fuel lever. Engine 2.
KLM 1022, contact London 18.82.
Oil pressure okay. No warnings. Engine 2 running.
Left propeller clear.
Engaging starter. Engine 1. N1 12%. Opening fuel lever. Engine 1. Start valve open. Engine 1. N2. Generator 2 selected on. Starter cut off. Engine 1 pressures okay. No warnings. Both propellers forward out of feather. Captain, propellers fine. Props fully fine. Both engines running and normal.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Before taxi flow.
Before taxi flow. Roger.
676, contact London
Check props fully fine.
1892, good day, 676.
Check.
Electrical GPU is in the process of being disconnected. We shall be ready. Everything looks in good shape. Enjoy your flight, Captain.
U. Auto feather switched on. Taxi lights selected on. Seatbelt signs selected on. No smoking signs switched on. Pitot heat selected on. Roll.
Seabed 982 Golf, clear takeoff 279, wind 270, please phone off.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board today. This is your purser speaking. Please direct your attention to the cabin crew for important safety information. There is an instruction card in your seat pocket that illustrates the safety equipment on board this aircraft. Flight is not fully
Before takeoff.
Before take off.
Your life jacket is located.
Trim set rudder 5 degrees right. Flaps set flight instruments checked. Radio set propeller levers forward. Auto on engine instruments checked. Lean air left and right. Anti-ice before take off complete. You're welcome.
The non-smoking cabin lights will now be turned off. Reading light buttons are located over your head. Thank you very much for your attention.
That's great. Thank you for that.
Seabed 982 Golf, contact London 118.82.
Runway entry procedure.
Confirm runway entry procedure.
Yep.
Cheers. State runway.
Runway 7.
Runway and heading confirmed. Landing lights on as per command.
Check.
Midland 2 Foxtrot Papa, clear takeoff 27 right, wind calm.
Navigation lights on. Auto feather selected on. Strobe lights on as per.
For takeoff.
Yes, thanks for that.
Clear for runway entry.
Thank you.
Forget it.
Flaps 10.
Flaps 10 selected.
Okay, takeoff briefing. We'll take off runway 7 from the beach. V1 reference 65. We'll follow runway heading, climb to 400. I'll select flaps up. Call for after takeoff checklist. I'll select climb, power, torque 47. Propeller MP 80%. Climate reference 85 knots. Following ATC climb instructions up to our assigned altitude. Cruise altitude 8,000.
189.
Just confirm our V references. What's our VR?
It certainly is 65 knots.
What's our V1?
Yeah, it's 65 knots.
What's our V2?
No problem, it's 75 knots.
What's our fuel?
Scandinavian 526.
1 minute please.
Pull out on the
Cap.
right and after the departing
Fuel
Lufthansa
quantity
A300 line
on
up
board
27 right.
is nearly 0.5 tons, or to put it differently, 1,100 pounds.
Okay.
My pleasure.
Power set.
Take off power set. Acceleration confirmed.
65 knots.
65 go. Rotate 80 knots. V2.
Stay on the right after copy 77 to pass line up 271.
That's up.
Flaps coming up. Flaps set.
After takeoff line.
Logan
Plus 400 after takeoff. Flaps confirmed. Up taxi lights off as per command. Autofill. Disarm. Signs. Captain. Climb. Power set 485. V. Rev. Yaw. Damper. Switch on cap. After takeoff complete.
Heading on.
Heading full. Already disabled.
Contact Scottish Control 119er decimal 87.
Scottish Control 119er decimal 87. Scottish Control Logan 231 leaving 1,400 feet for flight level 50.
Logan 231 Scottish Control. Roger, radar contact. Flight level 80. Resume navigation represent as filed.
Climb, flight level 80, resume on navigation direct, then aspire, Logan 231.
Air Canada 881, contact Scottish Control
Select
129
altitude
22, bye-bye.
8,000.
2922 Air Canada 881, good day.
Climb power set.
Climb, power, thrust.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Okay, so we're climbing at 85 knots. Propellers set with 80 NP. Torque 47. That's our climb power. Climbing on airspeed.
Altimeter.
To assigned altitude of 8,000. So as you can see from our little block graph, structural ice buildup is now 11%. And you can see from the windscreen, we've got some ice buildup. I'm going to let that build up to a substantial amount and we'll test the effects of the M.C.E. de-ice flow. See from the exterior elements, as they approach you. Structural ice buildup may not be modelled on the surfaces of the to know as well, which can demonstrate loss of lift. Okay, now 14.4% structural ice buildup. The screen's now opaque, so we'll select the windshield heat on.
Window heat. Selected on.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Structural ice buildup increasing 15.8%, and you can see the windscreen is clearly our windscreen. Climbing at 500 feet per minute. climb rate, but nevertheless significant. So we'll select the de-icing and check the effects. Anti-ice systems on.
Roger, anti-ice. Engine, anti-ice. 1, 2, on. Propeller, anti-ice. On. Wing, anti-ice. Selected on. Bleed, engine 2, switched on. Bleed air, engine 1, on as per command. Window, heat, on. All anti-ice, on cap.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See the structural ice buildup is starting to drop now. As the boots kick in, we're down to 13%, 12%. We've got de-icer boots on automatic fast. Wing inner, wing outer, left stabiliser, right stabiliser. Structural ice buildup now down to 9.5%.
Okay, confirm. Engine shut down.
So structural ice buildup is now down to 0. So the de-icer boots on auto fast, wing inner, wing outer, left stabiliser, right stabiliser. Leave those on. So having descended to 6,000, climbing up again to side altitude, cruise altitude of 8,000, with all the de-icing systems on, the same settings, propeller 80, torque 47, so the same climb power. We've got a climb rate of 900 feet per minute, so there was a structural ice buildup which was affecting our climb rate. We're climbing at 500 feet per minute, if you recall, we were climbing at 800. Quite significant. Passing transition.
Set altimeters, Q and H. Setting altimeter reference back to standard.
Now selected the GPS. Select nav mode, so we follow the GPS track. Nav mode on.
Track mode armed.
Your pilot must assume responsibility for obstruction repairs and arrivals into this airport. Remain not less than 1,000 feet above or side of the parade at all times. And feasible descent, flight level 70.
Descent flight level 70, lower 231.
Set altitude 7,000.
Setting altitude 7,000.
Autopilot off.
Confirm. Autopilot off cap.
Yep.
Lovely. Autopilot. Deactivating. $1,000 to go.
Speed hold on.
Speed hold armed.
Autopilot.
Autopilot available now.
Flight level 60.
Maintain flight level 60, lower 231.
Set altitude 6,000.
Okay, confirm. Altitude.
6,000.
Cheers. Setting altitude 6,000.
Altitude hold off.
Altitude hold disabled.
Descent profile.
Descent. Fuel quantity and select position. Hydraulic pressure check. Caution lights check. Anti-ice as required. Captain. Fasten seat belt signs. Selected on. No smoking signs. selected on 1000 to go. Landing lights switched on. Taxi lights on as per command. Altimeters set to 9092. My side. Get altimeter setting on. ATC. Captain. Radar altimeter set at 300 MDA. Your landing briefing. Captain.
Choppy.
Ready for approach. Checklist. Roger that. Check altitude.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we're experiencing turbulence, the captain has switched on the seatbelt signs. Please return to your seat and ensure that your seatbelt remains fastened until the sign has been switched off. Thank you.
Altitude hold on.
Altitude mode active now.
Autopilot on.
Autopilot on as per command.
Okay, descent briefing. Be a left seat landing at Plockton, uniform kilo 10. We're landing runway 02.
Runway 2.
That's correct, with the wind from the north-east. Manoeuvring is 80, reference 70. There'll be a 40 flat landing. Anything you don't like on the approach, call go around. Torque available is 50. We'll go to props fully forward, flaps 10. We'll circle to the right. Bear in mind there's no tower at Plockton. We'll be on advisory if anybody's in the circuit. We'll discuss the problem and decide what to do. Any questions?
My pleasure.
One, diesel will maintain flight level 50.
Maintain flight level 50. Loader 231. Your.
Set altitude 5000.
Selected altitude 5000.
You're in. Engine fire, left engine.
Confirmed. Left fire. Warning. Right propeller full forward. Very far. Propeller lever. Engine 2 full forward. Left power lever mid position. Very far. Left propeller lever feather. Very far. Propeller lever engine 1. Did you ask for something, sir? Propeller to feather, set to feather, left, fuel, lever, cut off, very far, closing, fuel, lever, engine 1. Left, fuel, emergency, switch off, very far, left, fire, pull, handle, pull, very far, fire lever, engine 1, pulled out. Left, boost, pump, switch off, very far, light, off, fire, in, flight, emergency, cross, feed, engine, shut down. Generator 1 switched off. Lead air engine 1 switched off. Auto feather selected off. Left fire emergency completed.
Thank you.
Forget it.
Engine fire, right engine.
Confirmed. Right engine fire 1.
Yeah.
Left propeller full forward very far. Propeller lever engine 1 full forward. Right power lever mid position very far. Right propeller lever feather very far.
Engine fire, right engine.
It's a bit outside the envelope. Almost in danger of stalling. Cap confirmed. Right engine fire 1.
Yeah.
Left propeller full forward very far. Propeller lever engine 1 full forward. Right power lever mid position very far. Right propeller lever feather very far. Propeller lever engine 2. Please confirm. Did you request something, sir? Propeller to feather, right, fuel, lever, cut, off, very far, right, fuel, emergency, switch, off, very far, right, fire, pull, handle, pulled, very far, fire lever, engine, 2, pulled out, right, boost, pump, switch, off, light, off, very far, fire, in, flight, emergency, cross, feed, engine, shut down, bleed, engine, 2, switched, off, auto feather, off, right, engine, fire, emergency, completed.
Okay, with the altitude we've got, plan for a direct glide straight in approach runway 2 Plockton. Advise passengers, brace and crash positions. Centre Logan 231 declaring an emergency. We have no tower at Plockton. Radio's advisory for those in a circuit. Let's hope there's nobody in the circuit. flight attendants, passengers, crash positions, brace, 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 brace. Fire evacuation flow.
Go. Fire. Emergency. Evacuation. Cabin. Crew. Open. Doors. Port. Side.
Engine. 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 Fire. Fire. Fire.
Emergency evacuation. Passengers to leave the aircraft on the port side. That's the left.
Engine. 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 Fire. Fire. Fire.
Passengers are clear, Captain.
Safe to evacuate the aircraft from our doors. Let's go.